What's up, boys and girls? Today is another day, another vlog, and it's your host Dan, and we're gonna do an unboxing of the Keychron K1 10 keyless mechanical keyboard. Let's do it. Wow. Nice packaging. I like this thing right here. May foam to protect the keyboard. Meron tong accessories, USB Type-C, which is really nice. You should all make USB Type-C for every gadgets everywhere. Meron tayong replacement keycaps para sa Windows version at iba't ibang kulay ng escape key. Dito kasi kulay black yung escape key pero by default kulay orange yung escape key. Very excited. Next we have this thing to remove the keycaps and the switches. Tingnan natin. Ito yung tsura niya. And we have the keyboard itself. Before natin buksan yung keyboard, meron din itong kasamang K1 Bluetooth Mechanical Keyboard Manual, Paperworks, at meron pang picture. If you are a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow the instructions below to find and replace the following keycaps. Alright, thank you. Tapos meron ding quick user guide pictures here. See? Awesome. Padded yung box, merong foam para secure. Quick specs. Low profile switches, 48% thinner low profile mechanical switches. Very nice. Dual compatibility. It can work with Windows or Mac keyboards or OS. It can be used for wireless, Bluetooth, or wired. Really nice. It can pair up to 3 devices as well. Battery life, it has 2000 milliamp power battery. It can last up to 2 weeks when the backlight is disabled. Nice. Matagal siya tatagal. And it has an aluminum body. Matibay. Tingnan natin kung anong laman ito. Hindi natin pinapatagal to. Wow. Look at that. Wow. This thing is very nice looking. Mukha talagang matibay at sturdy yung pagkakagawa. Compared dun sa rack keyboard na binili ko nung nakaraan. At least nabenta ko na yun. Wala namang problema yun. Tsaka mas mura kasi yun. Compared dito, pero yung quality nito talaga, ibang klase. Sobrang sturdy ng keyboard. Ang price nito is $79 from their website. I ordered directly at keychron.com. Link down below. Kung yung nakaraan, red switches, ito naman, brown switches. Brown switches is like a mix of red and blue. Medyo tactile siya at hindi naman ganun ka-clicky. So, sa gitna lang siya. At yung tunog niya, okay. Tapos, isa sa pinakagusto ko dito, malaki yung shift key niya sa kaliwa at sa kanan. Very, very nice and very suitable for me, for a person who types a lot using the right shift. Now, sa taas, makikita natin yung USB Type-C port at dalawang switch. Natin kung makikita nyo dyan. Windows or Android and Mac OS switch. Pag nasa kanan, Windows. Pag nasa kaliwa, Apple device. Bluetooth or cable mode. Pag nasa kaliwa, cable. Pag nasa kanan, Bluetooth. Wow, medyo matigas siya. Yun. Umilaw na siya. Binuksan ko yung Bluetooth mode at binili ko yung white LED version lang. White LED. Kasi mas mahal ng $10 yung RGB and I don't really need RGB. I think white is a really nice color. And dun sa manual, meron daw iba-ibang settings para katulad yan. Iba-ibang settings para mapakita mo yung ilaw ng RGB or ma-controls mo yung colors. But since this is just white, adjustment lang ng variations ng light up ng keyboard pagdating dito sa adjustments nito. Wow, look at that. Para siyang Christmas lights. Sabi ko dito, mukhang masarap siyang gamitin pang type at pang gaming na rin. Mas maganda yung layout ng keyboard. They use ABS type of keycaps here, so it will last for a long time. At medyo indented yung keyboard niya pataas, so concave yung shape sa ibabaw, tas medyo naka-raise ng konti. Kung makikita nyo, right there, right there. Sobrang excited ako gamitin to for my daily driver, pero gagamitin siya wired with cable kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa wireless. At yung computer ko wala namang Bluetooth connection. So again, for wireless, this will last for about 35 hours depending on your use, maybe less, maybe more. I should try that first. And for charging time, it should charge up for up to 3 hours bago mapuno yung battery. Not bad. Wala akong masasabi sa design, sa totoo lang. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun talaga siya. Ang ganda ng kulay. Yung keycaps, kulay gray, tas may shade ng darker gray sa gilid para sa mga function keys. Meron din siyang special keys for microphone, for lights, and for whatever that is. This is designed for Mac and Windows, so meron siyang command key, option key, and control. You can switch that with the extra keycaps right here. So again, for 5,000 pesos including shipping, masasabi ko na high-end talaga itong pagkakagawa sa Keychron K1. Nireview na to ng mga malalaking tech YouTubers katulad ni MKBHD. Meron siyang K2 version, which is yung mas maliit at hindi siya thin profile. Nireview din siya ni Unbox Therapy ni Lou. This version, I think the version 3. This version is version 4, by the way. Version 3 has flat keycaps. This one has concave. So yeah, here it is. Let's get some B-rolls right here. Alright, thank you guys for watching my vlog today. I know it was very short. Talk to you guys next time. Bye. Di pa ako tapos manikmura ng tiyan.